So Kevin and I just left Walmart. We are preparing.
We are prepared.
For the King of Hammers.
We are prepared.
Kevin, you look like you're struggling with that giant basket of stuff.
Yeah, thanks Marco, thanks Brad.
Trail recon, it's all y'all's fault. Kevin, where are we gonna put all this? It's not gonna fit in our Jeep.
Well, I think we're gonna put it in our brand new RV.
It's not actually ours, we're renting it though for King of Hammers because apparently camping at the King of Hammers is a terrible idea because it's windy and it's sandy and it's dusty and it sucks. And it's supposed to rain this week as well. So we're renting an RV this week, courtesy of Baja Designs and PRP and Tuffy. So massive shout out to all three of those companies, which this video will be sponsored by because without those guys, this entire trip to King of Hammers would not be possible. I mean, I guess it would be possible. It would just be miserable because we'd be camping in a tent instead of in this beautiful
I didn't get ice.
thing. Oh, you forgot ice. Way to go, Kevin. See, we're struggling, we're learning.
I can put a bag of ice up there.
There's a toilet. Oh god. The toilet and a shower. Guys, I've never stayed in an RV in my entire life. So this is gonna be fun. What all did we buy, Michael? Other than Dayquil and NyQuil, because you're getting sick and you're gonna get the rest of us sick.
No, I am not gonna do that.
Look, we got eggs.
We got eggs.
There's bacon.
We got mayonnaise.
I bought Snapple because I like tea.
Chips y'all need?
Look, there's
Hey,
cream
you know what?
cheese and
Shut up, I
Miracle
want
Whip
chips.
and pickles and mustard and sweet relish. I bought tuna fish and there's bacon. Look, we got sausages
and chicken.
stuff. None of this is gonna be as delicious or amazing, of course, as Marco's from scratch. Oh God, just delicious God Chef cooking. But it should be, I don't know, I'm impressed. I'm impressed with us right now.
I've never shopped.
This
much
is
food in my
the
life.
most grocery shopping Kevin and I have ever done in our entire lives. This is the most food we've bought like
Hey, where's my whiskey?
at once.
Over here.
We also got beer and whiskey. You know what the funniest part is though? Despite the fact that we just spent, I'm not gonna say how much on groceries, we're about to go eat an In-N-Out burger.
Yeah.
Because we're still we're 2 hours away from Hammertown being able to park the RV and cook food, and all of us are starving. So we're gonna go fill our stomachs with greasy, cancer filming fast food. Let's go! So Kev,
Yeah.
where are we going right now?
This way.
We have no idea. We unloaded the whole Jeep into the RV, so we're, for once, not fully loaded. Oh God. So we're just booking it. How fast are we going?
We were just doing about 60 right there.
We need to figure out what's in the back. Dude, this is doing so well though. You want me to get out and film me from the outside? So the wind here is awful, so the audio is probably gonna be not the greatest, but I'm gonna have Kevin do a high-speed pass to see just how fast he can come down this dirt road. Here he comes. He's booking it. Oh my God. That's so rad. Holy crap. Excuse the bumpiness, but Kevin pulled over right after that pass by because the side-by-side completely rolled itself. Oh my God, I need to work out more. They already rolled it back over by hand. Oh my God. Guys, dude, holy crap. You all right? Yeah? I mean, it looks like it was, but as long as you're okay, then it wasn't as bad as it could have been. So, yeah, dude, he's still booking it.
Yeah, he's drunk as
booking
shit.
it.
I think he's also trying to get out of here before Ranger or somebody sees him. Just get sideways flip, and as soon as he went over, he just like slinkied out of it. I mean, he didn't tumble that much, but he went right to his feet. Super
Insanely lucky. That
Yeah.
could have been so much worse.
Pretty sure he was pretty wasted.
I'm pretty sure he didn't even have his helmet buckled either.
Oh my
No
God.
seatbelt, no, and his helmet. At least he had a helmet on, I guess. He just went off the flat road, barely hit a berm, and it
Tumbled. The dude was not wearing his seatbelt. He flew out.
He literally just fell out the side of it, and then it hit, rolled 2 or 3 times. He jumped right up and was just trying to push it back over. Like before I could even get there, you saw me shoot across?
I saw. Yeah, he probably was drinking.
No, I can smell it on him.
All right, so we're gonna do take number 2 on the pass by now that all that excitement is over. And this time I'm gonna face the mic towards the Jeep. I'm gonna kind of film from a different direction. Hopefully the wind won't interrupt the audio, but that way you guys can hear the motor sound so good on that flyby. Oh my gosh. How fast are you going?
I was about 80.
Oh my god, that was so much fun. I wasn't even in the Jeep, it was fun to watch.
Yeah, was it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was hauling. I came around this corner. It's the only part that's kind of, I don't let off, just kind of constant throttle, and as soon as it comes through the corner, just
Play into it. So we've made it to an obstacle known as the back door. And guys, honestly, it's not that late. It's probably like 8 o'clock at night or so, but it's hard to tell. But there's probably at least 40 plus people sitting up on this rock with me, watching that. Holy crap! No way. That's way too heavy. There's no way. Guys, they are determined to do this under manpower. How many men does it take? There's no way.
Put it in park.
Oh my god, this is so sketch.
It's heavy. You good? Go ahead.
Yeah, there's no way y'all were lifting that by hand.
On the brake. On the brake.
There she comes. There she goes. Kevin, that was the climax I was looking for.
Hey, fumigate. Fumigate. Hammer down. Clear on this side.
Kevin is the worst heckler. I literally just found this out. Listen to him.
1, 2, 3, V8.
Oh my god.
Get up.
What happened? You had it! Ah! I must say, it's pretty nice for once to be the hecklers rather than the heckled. Also, have I mentioned yet that Kevin's asked me 3 times to go grab the JL to climb up this? Oh my god! Jesus! Why'd you lay Okay, on to, I think it's called Chocolate Thunder. It's obviously nighttime. I have told Kevin not to attempt this obstacle, but as you can see, he's listened to me. Oh my God. For those of you who aren't familiar with this trail, this is a purely buggy trail. So this guy just got winched from flipping completely over on his roof. And I would like to point out that Kevin on our web here is like, oh, we're not gonna flip over. That's not a thing on this trail. Also, side note, I'd like to point out that we have to drive this all the way back to Colorado Springs to catch a flight to Norway in 7 days. This isn't really even day one. It's still Friday. This isn't really even day one of the King of Hammers. Just watch these rocks. Can you put your passenger right here, Kev? Whoa, 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 whoa! Kev, stop!
Yeah!
Come on! Stay straight! Kev, easy! Oh my God! There you go. Alright, hard driver. Oh, right there. Stay. Slow. Yeah, this is like a freaking race. Oh, I don't know what he just hit, but that wasn't a slider. This is easily the stupidest thing we have ever done our entire wheeling career so far in this YouTube channel, you guys. Holy balls! Also, that's not a city. That is the King of Hammers. Oh my God. Kevin, wait for me, you asshole! So it's morning now, and we've had all evening and all night to reflect on our decisions over at Chocolate Thunder. And
Chocolate Thunder. It's such a good name.
I've decided that it's probably the best decision we've ever made.
Yeah, of course it was. You hear her like screaming at me and cussing at me last night?
After the fact and after watching through the videos, that was super rowdy and a lot of fun. I was very nervous about it because it's just non-stop buggy after buggy after buggy.
So it's just all these buggies climbing over each other if you're in the way.
Flipping.
Luckily, hey, they were nice to us.
No, they were nice.
They were helping me out. So normally they just drive over each other.
Yeah, and I was half expecting them to be like, "What the hell are you doing? Get off the trail!" Like, because we were obviously not
as fast
or as built as they were, but we made it up. Chocolate Thunder, and it was awesome. So, welcome officially to the King of Hammers.
That was good.
That was good.
We didn't even plan that.
And B, before I go ahead and shut down this video, I'm going to pass the camera over to Kevin, and I'm going to show you this storm that is literally descending on us.
We've always heard that it's windy here. Actually, I've been told never to say the W word. I could say W, but you can't say the word.
It's his fault. He was saying windy all last night.
I said it last night. I was like, it's not windy out. It's so nice. It was beautiful last night.
If you can't tell, it seems like we're on a boat right now. We're not on a boat. We're in an RV, and the wind is like threatening to tip us.
Look at the trash.
Oh yeah, here.
Or look at this.
So yeah, I'm gonna brave the wind for a moment. I'm gonna pass it over to Kevin just so you can see. He's like, I was like, well, why don't you go outside and do this? He's like, oh, because I don't have any hair to blow around, so you can't really see how bad it is.
It's bad.
All right, so okay, this is a worse idea than Chocolate Thunder was. Oh my God!
Don't let go of the door. Go up with it.
Oh my God. This is so dumb. And if you can't see, massive storm coming towards us.
That looks rad.
So, okay, I'm gonna come back inside now. I can't.
Watch your finger.
Oh my God. I need a brush. So, again, welcome to the King of Hammers.
Yeah.
So, as always, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And we will see you next time. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Hi, Jelly. Oh, you're such a good babies. Oh, no.
Oh, big yawn. So we've been hanging out in the RV because it is raining outside, which it has been all day. And Kevin is taking a nap. And I could not, for the life of me, figure out where Jelly was. And then I lifted up the blanket. Hi, Jelly. You're... Oh. I was terrified she'd like gotten outside or something. Nope. So I'm just snuggling with Dad. I'm just snuggling.